came in, so I'm not trying to go 7 o'clock. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the Uber, and it's chilly and it's cold, and my hair got messed up. So yeah, welcome to the vlog. I'm gonna come back here, so guys, or I'm gonna try to check back in once I get to the nail salon and like show y'all my nails and stuff, because I'm really running behind. So I'll be back. Alright, hey guys, so it's another vlog. I'm not playing. When I told you I was gonna do these weekly vlogs, I meant it. Like, we're gonna do weekly vlogging, and today we're about to go to the nail salon. Alright, so where's my tripod? Kaden, I found your costume. You did? Yeah. I was getting so distracted talking to the kids. But anyway, like I was saying, so we're about to go to the nail salon. And I just relayed my wig, actually. And I want to get y'all feedback. What do y'all think? I don't know if you guys, like, follow Arrogant Tay. I'm pretty sure you do, though, because almost everybody follows him. But he's been promoting the ORS Grip and Fix It, like the wig, the stuff specifically for the wigs. And I bought literally all the products because he bought it. And today is my first day like using it for my install, so we'll see how it lasts. It feels pretty secure though, to be honest with you. It's just like a process for me. It takes a little bit longer than doing like the glue, but I kind of like it. Plus I need to get my hair washed and braided, so that's why. So these are the ORS products. It's the Fix It Super Hold Spray, which I did use, and I used the castor oil gel. So I put the gel down first, and then I sprayed it, and then I used my blow dryer. And I used like a tiny bit of the Fix It Liquidizer Spritz. The only thing I don't like about this is the nozzle. It like shoots out too much versus how like a regular spritz bottle would spritz out. So that's that. So yeah. That's that for that. But let me know, like, comment below if you guys would be interested in like a video, an update or something, because I could definitely let y'all know. Also, I got my nails done yesterday. I love them. We went for like those fall color nudish type of vibes, but they are like super long. Like, she's in my nails super long, and I told her like, dang, I'm like, girl, this is too long. Once my nails grow out, like, I'm gonna definitely make her cut them down because this is way too long for me. But they are super cute. Okay, so I'm gonna flip back over this way. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to find my tripod. I have a tripod specifically for vlogging, and like that I could hold it, but I cannot find where the tripod is. So I don't know where that's at. But yeah, I figured let's take you guys with me to the nail salon. Like, I want to vlog when I'm going places. Like, I hate like sometimes when you vlog and you're not going places because it's boring. It's like, okay girl, how many times are we gonna watch you in the same house doing the same thing? So I'm like, let's go somewhere today. And I was telling my cousin, I'm like, these people at the nail salon probably gonna be tight because I'm coming with all my own products. Like, I bought mad nail stuff for quarantine because I planned on, you know, doing my own nails and stuff. So I'm like, let me just get some really good products so I can do my nails, and I'm gonna use it. But for some reason I bought like this foot cream. It was semi-pricey, honestly, for a foot cream. I think it was like $20 or something like that, and I want them to massage my feet with it, and I put it on today. But of course I can't find it. Oh wait, I see it. It's this right here. It's the Sol de Janeiro, the Samba Fetish Foot Cream. I want them to massage my feet with that. I'm bringing my own file for them to scrub my own feet with that. What else am I gonna bring? I'm gonna do this nail polish. I have quite a few nail polish. I like always go for white, but I don't know. I'll probably bring 2. I'm gonna bring my OPI white. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my OPI white Alpine Snow. Looks like this. It's just a white. And I'm gonna also bring this other color because I've been like really wanting to do this color, but but I feel like I did it once, but I might do it again. This is the color I think I'm gonna do though. It's this Nails Ink color right here, and this is called Goldborn Road. If it focuses, focus. Goldborn Road. So I'm gonna bring that. What else? I usually like to bring my own things, honestly. I have this Japanese like cuticle cutter. I want them to use all my own shit, like, because sometimes they don't be cleaning stuff good. Not saying that all places do this, but I have encountered some places where they don't clean the stuff well, and I don't got time. I have this Essie all-in-one top and base coat, so I'm gonna probably use this too. I'm gonna make them put this Deborah Lipman. It's a cuticle oil, and I have another product from her. Like, I want them to give me the treatment that I deserve. And the other Deborah Lipman product is the cuticle remover. And I have, like, literally, I have the whole system. Like, when I tell y'all, I was really trying to be out here doing my own stuff, but it was a fail. But I'm like, you know what? I'm like wasting my products because I'm not using this. So we're gonna use all of this stuff. I got a nail strengthener. Like, I have literally everything. So, and the Deborah Lipman, it came with a cure, which is basically an ultra nourishing cuticle repair cream. So we're gonna use all of this, and I'm gonna show you how everything is looking, because it's like mad shit. So they're gonna be looking at me like, girl, where you going with all of this? This is like literally all the products that I'm taking. So they're gonna think that I'm crazy, but whatever. I want to really get petty, and because I'm doing like regular polish, like, you need really good quality products if you want your regular polish, your regular pedicure to last. I just don't feel like getting gel because it's getting colder. I feel like in the summertime I like to get gel more, just because in my mind I feel like the polish chips a little bit faster. But we're gonna test this out and see how this is, and then I'm gonna check back in with you guys when we get at the nail salon. Finally made it out the house. We are on our way to the nail salon. Look at that mask. I mean, it's definitely unique.
My cousin made it. Her name is Mary B.
Shop now. Look at my hair. Off to the nail salon. Okay, so that nail salon was a fail. It was so many people in there, but we are gonna get some wine and we're gonna do a little tasting. Okay, this is the sweet one.
This is not so sweet, but try first. This one try. This is sweet. This is sparkling Moscato one.
Yeah, I'll probably like that one.
Yeah,
I know.
try little one first.
Let's see. Let's see. What is the name of it? Tarzan?
Yeah,
Tarzan. Oh,
California Sauvignon Blanc. This is dry one, but still a little.
No, I definitely don't like this one.
This one you're gonna love it.
She'll like that one. I don't like this one.
This one.
What is this ad? 678 what?
Dogwood Avenue.
Dogwood.
Thank you. I told Omar to come get me. This is ridiculous.
This one I like.
Yeah, pretty good. So it's Moscato one. You know, it's no bitter at all. Would you like to try a little bit?
She'll like this one.
You'll that me?
Yeah, you'll like that one. I don't like that one.
Which one? Which
That
one did you
one.
taste?
This
Both
is
of them.
dry.
I don't like that one. That one's dry.
Mhm.
It tastes like your type of stuff. Yeah.
This is sweet.
I like that one. But that one just tastes like regular Moscato.
But you know, more,
I like that.
more
one?
like
Both of them, but I like the Bartonudas better.
because sweet.
Do you have Roshi? Rashi?
Rashi, yeah.
What's going on here?
Look at this. All the wines. Wow. Omar's done already? Alright, y'all. Look at my feet.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause